everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm starting today with a beautiful sunrise. It's a different type of video today because there's been so much rain and flooding. I'm not able to get out and film the usual boats for you. So if it's all right with you, I'm just going to take you out with me where I go in the week. Starting with to a friend's house who is away, and she had a notification, so she had a parcel. So I went and got that in for her. Their gate was open, which was probably left by the delivery person. So I've shut that for them. And they always say, when you're around, make yourself a coffee. So I am, although it's filmed in the wrong format, but never mind. Then a bit of a squirrel watching in their garden. They're always so entertaining. And then on to my favourite friend here, Mr. Guinea Fowl. Mr. Helmeted Guinea Fowl, in fact. But he doesn't look very happy today. I don't know if it's because of the rain or if he looks like he's limping a little bit. Usually, in other places, they would just fly away from you and they make a very loud noise. They're a great guard dog. But he's so used to me after all these years that, he's quite happy. He doesn't bother about me at all. Anyway, I'm back in Martham now. It's a different day, and as you can see, there really is an awful lot of flooding. Not a nice day to be moving home on a day where it's pouring with rain. You already all think I'm strange. But look how these roof trusses are giving fabulous reflections in the puddles. I never really say much about my life out of YouTube. Generally, I work in the mornings and film in the afternoons, so it's coming up to about 9:30. So, first customer of the day. I'll catch up with you in a bit. There's been so much rain these last few days that, there's just flooding everywhere. And this looks like the start of a burst water main. Can you see it just there? Bubbling up through the tarmac. So I've done the right thing and I've run it through as a possible start of a burst water main. quick return visit just to check that, it is what I think it is. Well, I don't know if it's a burst water main starting. So, I'll keep you posted. Every time there's lots of rain, it always floods here at Marlborough Green Crescent. Over the years, they've tried to rectify it, but still it's the same every year. And we're talking a lot of years. Anyway, yet another day. I found myself in Catfield today. Look at all this flooding. It does say the road is shut ahead, so I'll have to turn around. But if you live in Catfield, oh my goodness, whatever happened here? You've had so much rain, but because I'm out, I didn't realise that Martham had the same amount as well. If you're enjoying today's video, perhaps you could give it a like for me. As I always say in every video, you're very welcome to share any of my videos to your social media channels. Perhaps you're seeing my channel for the first time. If you've enjoyed this video, then perhaps you'd like to subscribe to me. I thought Storm Babet was just over the weekend, but I wonder if this flooding is still part of that. I didn't think I would be doing driving videos this early. I thought, that would be November, December. So I think we need to start getting used to these, as much for me as for you watching. This isn't a proper driving video. This is simply me taking you out on my week because I need to put a video out and I haven't got anything. Once they start properly, I will go around all the villages that have the river going past them that you go on your boats on. So Acle, for instance, Cantley, Reedham, and I'll take you around all the village because you only go there to the moorings or the local shop or whatever. So I'll show you what the rest of the village is like that you don't get to see. Must be bad. That's the oldest one. Anyway, let's move on from the flooding and I'll show you what else I've been out filming in the week. I've been filming for my YouTube memberships and I thought I'll go into Yarmouth and film at night. I now have 5 people who have joined my memberships. So, thank you all. My membership videos are not just purely boats. There are a lot of boats in them, and obviously the footage you don't see in these ordinary videos, but I incorporate lots of other things around Norfolk and Norfolk Broads as well. It's about showing everything available to go and visit in the area. While out filming at night, I came across a few different things I thought I'd share with you. Firstly, a bike with no lights and wearing black. Then somebody on a scooter, one of those e-scooters, they do have lights. And then a cyclist on the route from Scrapby to Hemsby in black, no lights on the bike, but they were using their mobile phone as their light at the front. When I pass them, you'll see that it's a mobile phone they're using. Look. So apologies for there not being any boats in today's video, but there's not really an awful lot I can do about the weather, sadly. Let's hope all these dark rain clouds disappear soon, and then I'll be able to get back to London Bridge and film for you. This is what I need to be doing. Not filming from inside the car, but it's almost that time of year again where it will be filming from the car. Thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll be back again very soon.